I'd like to begin. I had to edit this in, but I want to begin my statement with I took a polygraph test through nationwidepolygraphs.com. It's going to be reversed on the screen there, but okay. And I took that and passed it with flying colors. I paid for this thing myself on 5/10/2013. It was a voice stress analysis test. Let's see. Questions: did you ever molest Samantha Nuzzo? Answer: no. Did you ever touch Samantha's genitalia inappropriately? Answer: no. Is Lawrence, Massachusetts DCF, which includes Nancy Isikoff, or whatever her name is, did they violate your Sixth Amendment rights to a fair trial? Answer: yes. Was Lavinia Wergen truthful in her allegations to DCF Boston? Answer: no. Conclusions: based upon standardized chart reading criteria and the lack of stress in any of the answers, it is my professional opinion that no deception indicated and Christopher Nuzzo has been truthful in all his answers. Sincerely, Greg M. Cook, analyst of nationwidepolygraphs.com. I also offered to pay for it if Lavinia Wergen, the accuser, who I never have met in my life until court, if she would take a polygraph test through this company and I was going to pay for it, and she turned that down. I wonder why. Why would anybody refuse it unless they have something to hide and are lying? I mean, if she really felt that strongly about the things that she accused me of, and she really believed I did them, why not take the test? Why not? You know why? Because she's full of lies, full of shit, and kidnaps children and makes money off them. And Nancy Isikoff helps her do it. Nancy Isikoff is a enabler in the corruption of the DCF system. As I was saying, Nancy Isikoff enables people to manipulate the system and make money off the system. She does not aid people in reunification with their children. She does not. That was the last thing on her mind. The entire time, she just wanted to get my children away from me, get them adopted out, and to, without any due process, try to make me look guilty without ever proving anything. But in the family court system, it doesn't have to be any proof of anything. They just say it's for the best interest of the children, and then the judge isn't going to go against that. He's scared to death. If something did happen, it'd be all on his shoulders. He'd rather leave it as whatever DCF says to do. He does it. Every judge does that. It's not about anything about helping children, helping parents, helping people get off drugs, or whatever their situation may be. They don't want to help anybody. They just want to get some federal funding in the system's pocket, try to make it themselves look needed by heightening the situations and making them look worse than what they are by getting their little triumph in the end. It makes them look like they're more employees are needed and they're going to keep their jobs. Pretty brutal. I don't know how our state agencies can have that as a goal, preserving their jobs and not actually doing their jobs properly. Okay, I had to get dressed up for this one because I'm going to be speaking to a lawyer. Wore my tux, my good hat too, my lucky hat. This is to Nancy Isikoff and Lavinia Wergen. I just wanted to say, go screw yourselves. Perhaps you should make clones of yourselves and go fuck yourselves as well. Trying to bully and boss me around still from Massachusetts all the way to Florida, 1,500 miles away. Still sending threats through my lawyer to me. Very kind of you after what you've already done with all your lies, traumatizing many people in this situation with your lies. And Nancy, with you taking things out of context, with your little trying to be slick with your frickin' frizzy hair, you know, it's just unscrupulous. You're supposed to be taught ethics when you go to law school, and obviously you missed those classes. Yeah, taking things out of context, trying to just throw in a little piece of an email, the one part that makes me look bad, and not reading the entire email in court to the judge. What is wrong with you? Did your parents not love you or something, and that's why you're trying to get back at other parents and try to harm them and kidnap their children from them by, with lies? I mean, if you're actually serving justice, I can understand getting the children away from parents. That sounds perfectly good. That's what your job really should be. But to manipulate and lie to do it, that's not in the best interest of the children. You don't do anything in the best interest of the children. All you do is look for a win. Quotes on that, because it's not really a win. The only one that wins is you get to write in that I got to steal the children from the parents and have them adopted out. You get to write that in your book somewhere, and I don't know who wins on that other than you get to chalk one up. Really, you should be serving justice and not screwing over families over and over again. And you look pretty haggard, so I'm guessing you've probably been doing it for 20 years, and I feel bad for the thousands of families you probably ruined. Well, happy birthday to me, and go fuck yourselves.